Welcome guys on another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create an overlay on your CapCut project. So all you have to do is obviously you're going to select your videos. So I'm going to add this video, right? And then I'm going to find another one to add to it. Okay, so I'm just downloading this one and import that one. Now, all you have to do to create an overlay is to click on this video and simply drag it on top of it. Then here you can adjust the size of it. You can drag it around, decide what you want to do. But that's it. That's all you have to do to create an overlay. Just drag your video on top of what you have currently. And if you want the opposite, simply do the opposite, right? Just grab this video and place it on top of it. Again, change the size. Yeah, and there you go. It's really that simple. So that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next.